In order to activate the color overlay or reading line guide, you will come over to the black and white toolbar and select the box with the line through it. Looks like a credit card or an ice cream sandwich. When I click on this tool, it will turn blue, indicating that it's on. And when I bring my cursor into the text, the paragraph becomes one color, and the line in which my cursor is on is highlighted as separate. I am in control of this. It's self-paced. So as I bring my cursor through the text or down the paragraph, my reading line guide comes with me. The colors can be modified within the settings. We will review that when we go over the options menu. And you can layer this tool with our Read Aloud tool. By selecting the Read Aloud tool, you'll see both are now activated and they are blue. And when I click down, it will read aloud and I can follow along with my reading line guide.
In the wild, Greek tortoises, Testudo greca, can live up to 200 years in their natural habitat.
In order to turn them off, I come over to the toolbar and I click on each tool to deactivate them or turn them off.